Verifying your bank account on Jitsi Meet is an essential process for ensuring secure transactions and access to features. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Create a Jitsi Meet account. Visit the Jitsi Meet website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Provide the necessary information such as your email address and create a password. Step 2. Access account settings. Log into your Jitsi Meet account and navigate to the account settings. Look for a section related to payment or bank account verification. Step 3. Enter bank account information. In the bank account verification section, input your bank account details accurately. This typically includes your account number, routing number, and any other required information. Step 4. Submit verification requests. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm verification. Check your email or Jitsi Meet notifications for confirmation of your bank account verification. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be verified on Jitsi Meet, allowing you to access all relevant features securely.